Hello guys! Today I'm gonna teach how to create sales receipt and invoice, also bank deposit. Let's get it. So today we are going to make a sales receipt. So the easiest way is click the new and make a sales receipt in here. This part is for customer, this part is for vendor. So click the sales receipt and we can record our sales receipt. And I will choose my customer named Cool Cars and change your date as in September 1st, 2026. And he pay with check. So I'll click the check, or if he use cash, you can click the cash, but this time I will use check. And the check number is 4511. Deposit to undeposited funds for sure. And product and service, we sell our service named design. We design for cool cars, so we choose the design and custom design. We can add some description in here, but I'm not gonna add it. And the cost, the rate is 500, so you can change to the 500 in here and save and close. Or if you want to make more sales receipt, save and new. But I want to save and close. And let's go how to make an invoice. Invoice means customer got the product from me and he didn't pay yet, so it is the customer owe me. So invoice is we should check. And product and service is past counter service, and it pays 35. Service don't include the tax. And save. And if you want to see transaction journal, click the more, and there's transaction journal. Look. And now we are going to receive payment. New, receive payment. Amy's Birth Sanctuary. And there's invoice from there. They didn't pay yet, so they have invoice. And you have to change the date. And they pay with check. Check number is 55841. Anyway, click this invoice and they pay them all. Sometimes they pay partial money, but they pay all. Save and close. Now we are going to create a bank deposit. So go to the new bank deposit. There's you choose your checking account and the date. Check the date. Means mortuary and cool cars, and save and close. Thank you for watching my video and see you next video. Thank you.